Welcome back, gamers and Web3 enthusiasts. What if I told you that your strategy gaming skills could finally pay off in real blockchain rewards? Today, we are doing a massive deep dive into Throne of Chaos, the absolute best dark fantasy RPG that is currently taking the Web3 space by storm. But we aren't just here to talk about the incredible graphics or the intense gameplay. We are here to talk about the massive $40,000 cross-token reward pool currently live on the Crosswave platform. Yes, you heard that right. 40,000 tokens are up for grabs for creators and players just like you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what makes Throne of Chaos a top-tier mobile game, how you can build an unstoppable team without spending a dime, and, step-by-step, how you can join the campaign on wave.crosstoken.io to secure your share of the rewards. Stick around until the end, because you do not want to miss the exact strategies to maximize your earnings. Let's start with the world building. Throne of Chaos isn't your average run-of-the-mill mobile game. It is a visually stunning dark fantasy strategy RPG set in a crumbling world of conspiracy, magic, and war. Order has completely collapsed, and you step in as the commander of destiny. Your job? To lead different factions out of the darkness and reclaim the throne. What really sets this game apart is the sheer scale of character building. There are over 100 unique heroes, each with high-tier, beautifully animated visuals and distinct skill trees. Whether you prefer a front line of massive armored tanks, cunning assassins that strike the backline, or powerful mages that deal massive area of effect damage, the choice is entirely yours. Every single hero feels impactful, and the 2D and 3D art fusion makes every ultimate ability feel like a cinematic masterpiece. Now, let's talk about gameplay and strategy, because this is where Throne of Chaos truly shines. This is not a mindless button masher. Victory depends entirely on skill counters, faction synergies, and hero placement. You can actually defeat teams with much higher combat power than you simply by adjusting your lineup and exploiting the enemy's weaknesses. And for those of us who have busy lives, the developers included a flawless 24/7 fully automatic idle system. Your heroes will continuously fight, gather resources, and level up even while you are completely offline. This means you are constantly progressing without suffering from extreme burnout. Plus, with the massive cross-server GVG, Guild versus Guild, battles happening on a 60-day seasonal cycle, you and your friends can form alliances, besiege world bosses, and fight for absolute server domination. The competitive scene is incredibly alive, but here is the absolute best part. The Web3 integration. Throne of Chaos isn't just about in-game glory. It features a robust token economy that rewards your time. By participating in PvP arenas and those massive 60-day seasonal battles we just talked about, you earn TOCC. This isn't just an empty in-game currency. TOCC is highly valuable because it can be converted directly into TOC tokens. This creates an incredibly healthy, sustainable economy. The more you engage with the competitive aspects of the game, the more potential value you generate. It is a true play-and-earn environment that respects the player's time and effort. You aren't just grinding for a digital high score. You are building real assets within the cross-token ecosystem. So, how do you get your hands on that $40,000 cross-reward pool I mentioned at the start? It is incredibly simple. First, head over to wave.crosstoken.io. Once you are on the dashboard, connect your Web3 wallet. Next, navigate to the Campaigns section and look for the Chaos World for Throne streaming campaign. This campaign is designed for community builders and creators. To participate, you need to complete easy social missions, like following their official X and Discord accounts. After that, your main mission is to create a high-quality video, just like this one, showcasing your gameplay, strategies, or reviewing the game. Once your video is ready, upload it using the official hashtags and submit your link on the Crosswave platform. There is an individual reward pool where top participants can earn up to $1,195 cross tokens. But spots are limited, and the campaign is filling up fast. Do not miss out on this massive opportunity to be an early adopter in one of the most promising Web3 games of the year. The graphics are stunning, the strategy is deep, and the Crosswave rewards are absolutely top tier. Check the link in the description right now to download Throne of Chaos directly from the Google Play Store. Create your account, build your ultimate Dark Fantasy squad, and then head over to wave.crosstoken.io to register for the campaign. If this guide helped you, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more Web3 gaming strategies, and let me know in the comments which hero faction you are choosing. Until next time, Commander, I will see you on the battlefield.